This is my car, a 2008 Nissan Xterra, two-wheel drive, and I love this truck. Why? Because this f***ing car took my life to the next level. Many cool places I wouldn't be able to get to if it wasn't for this truck. And it was all sort of by an accident. In 2019, my Volvo took a shit on me. I was back on the market for a new car, and I came across this Xterra on Craigslist. I just needed something with enough space to carry my equipment and my tools for my photography and construction gigs. Oh, and survive Mexican potholes. So this car was definitely an upgrade from a sedan. On the other hand, adventures were a regular thing for me and my home slices. We're lovers of outdoors, catching waves, carving up slopes, camping. So the Xterra seemed sufficient enough for my needs. It offered more horsepower and cargo space, and that was about it. It's just a car to me. And life went on as usual with the Xterra. Until...
Newly confirmed cases of COVID-19 are surging across the U.S.
The number of coronavirus cases.
Fresh Omicron wave.
COVID-19 situation is currently
China. How bad is the pandemic?
COVID-19 has devastated the travel industry.
It was surreal, like stepping onto the set of a post-apocalyptic movie.
This moment that we direct a statewide order for people to stay at home.
A total lockdown, under strict orders, uncertain about the future. This was our new reality. As the days turned into weeks, the effects of isolation deepened. Staying connected on social media and throwing Zoom parties became a source of relief. There was some occasional secret gatherings, which was nice. Actually, it was awesome. But that didn't keep our sanity for very long. Something was missing. Nature is our culture. The force that gives us meaning and purpose. She's proof that we are interconnected. We look up to her to keep us grounded from the chaos of the modern, disconnected world. Shedding the layers of our everyday lives and seeing what truly matters. Her presence allows us to reassess our values and realign with the universe. She guides us, heals us, teaches us. Basically, what I'm saying is nature was a common denominator. That's the point. And the lockdown took it from us. So, what do we do? Well, we said, fuck that. Enough of this cock block. The mountains are calling. Knowing everyone and their moms are shuttered in their homes, this was our perfect moment. Everything was shut down, including our favorite recreational campsites and national parks. Our only option was to explore new places and go off-grid. Places in BLM territories. The idea of off-roading and overlanding was completely new to me, but I was so ready to push the boundaries of my comfort zone. I wanted to get the fuck out of this lockdown so bad, and that meant dabbling with my Xterra. Just a tiny bit. Now, at first, I had absolute zero confidence in my car. Research and watching rock crawling videos led me to believe that I needed a 4x4, but I was wrong. This bad boy became the test bed for my overlanding projects, from batteries to lights to shower systems, as well as the swing-out kitchen that I designed. Maximizing the fun factor while trusting the nuts and bolts that hold everything together. Best. So I'm here to share with you the development process, and this is hundreds of gigs worth of videos documenting the journey. It's been a long time coming. I've had these videos for a long time, and I finally summoned up the courage to edit them and put it out to the world to see. I hope you enjoy it. studs must be stretched, man. I gotta replace these. Halfway through and it's still tight. Take out leaf. Spacers right here. My spacers are in, right here, both sides. What I'm left with is the wheel spacer here.